a pigeonhole. I'm a night owl, it's a different mode. I'ma have to make a paint of 6 on a pinky toe.
Well, just got here. Nothing super thick, but the thing that sucks is all I did was brought my trolling motor today. So yeah, I don't know. I think we can bust through this. But I don't know. Once we get moving, you know, it should break. Hello, ladies and gents. So welcome to my dirty truck. We're gonna try to bust through this ice, and it's supposed to be warm today, so it should heat up enough to where it's barely even there.
Waiting for Perry.
There you go. What?
The fucking boat isn't on the trailer.
I know. Oh, that's fine. It'll come off.
Oh, okay. I get what you mean. Sorry, dude. I thought you were trying to like pull away.
No.
I'm like, dude, it's not gonna. You're gonna push it right off over top.
No. You can just disconnect that. It's not like it's floating away.
I didn't even think about that's not gonna float away right now.
Yeah. It should be okay. Just let me back up.
It's all the wheel.
I want to back it up more. It'll go deeper.
Okay.
Hopefully.
Got her.
We're out.
Got her. Pull away.
Okay. Okie doke. Okay, this is gonna be fun. This is a first for me. Is it moving right now?
What?
It's just moving.
Both moving.
Yeah.
But
What?
like,
What the holy me. Why? How'd you get this? Oh, there we go. What the why is it on? God damn it. How do I shut her off? Oh, that's more. What the what's going on?
you gotta go one way or the other. There you go.
There, I don't know what the heck was going on. It was like...
There's quite a bit of water in this boat.
I know, it's all from the snow. I'd like to get some of that water out, but I don't know how that's going to work. Entertainment. Wait. Should probably lock my truck, shouldn't I? Okay, hopefully that's locked. Well, my truck. Okay, ladies and gents, our first ice excursion. It is, we're good. We just need to turn around. We'll probably be dead by the time we get out there. Is it any thinner? Someone's gonna pull in here and be like, what the f? Oh yeah, it's open right there.
You get stuck?
No.
Oh, yeah,
Hell yeah. Oh, I thought this would be a little easier than what it is. Yeah. Hold on. I just want to see how thick it is.
Huh?
It's about the same.
Open water, baby!
Kind of.
Woo! 28 pounds of thrust.
Yee-hoo. Well, I thought it was open.
What are you doing?
Just trying to rock it back and forth.
Are we heading all the way over there?
I don't know. I want to get over here first.
Here?
Maybe. Well, this is kind of ass.
Yeah.
We'll probably be gone by the end of the day, though. What?
Look at all the oil on top.
I don't see that. Where? I don't see it.
You didn't see any of that rainbowy color.
No.
Oh, you don't have it polarized on. You got open water.
There's people over there. They're probably like, what the f? Well, this is pretty stupid, but funny. Let's try right here. Try right here. We on ice. Oh, we're on ice. We're on ice. Hey, we're ice fishing now. Yeah, this is where we had a bunch of crappie last year. Well, guys, we made it. We made it. Well, I'd say by Monday, if it cools off, there should be enough ice.
Can you
Huh?
put us more over there before I drop the anchor? Otherwise, it's just going to drift all the way over on top of it.
Try. I'm gonna thrust it forward.
Open water.
I'm just gonna ram it. Okay, reversing. Huh? Well, I was gonna go out here in this opening, or if you want to drop it right here. It's so hard to tell when that thing's off. Hookly dokley, ladies and gents, we're ice fishing, kind of. Damn it! Just dropped my rack or my towel. There's definitely something below us. You can I get a waxies?
Oh yeah, dude, here you go.
Yeah, there's a couple faint little guys. How many do you even put on? One? Okay. Still there. It's so weird hearing the ice. Are we still moving? Yeah, we're moving.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, this isn't gonna work.
Ain't gonna work with shit. We keep moving.
That's so cool. There's one below us. Maybe this will stop us. Perfect. Yeah, there's a few down there. How do I turn my gain back up? They're chasing. Pretty sure. There's a bunch below. I just don't know where my shit is. Why can't I see it? Game. It's like it keeps glitching. Yeah, dude, it keeps going like. Bless you. You good?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Come on, fish. Wait, what? You gotta be kidding me.
Oh,
I don't know. It's kind of weird.
you can hear that, right?
What? 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 That's the line.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
On your pole?
Yeah. When the wind hits it. Music.
Joke?
What?
Huh. Getting little cluster marks around us now.
Mm.
Like strong ones too.
I'm not seeing them yet, but. Dang.
Oh.
Should be a big ass tree with big ass kitties. Just out of curiosity, I want to look. Since it's melting. I just wish that wind would die. This thing works pretty good.
I wonder how frozen that back cove is.
Probably a lot. Jesus, 24 foot. I'm just looking.
Oh yeah? We're at 24 foot right here?
Mm-hmm.
Goddamn.
There are marks. Lots of marks. A lot of marks.
Are there?
A lot.
Actually?
Yes.
Let's see. We're in, how many feet of water?
19.
Yeah, we are. I don't see a lot of marks, but
Huh?
I don't see a lot of marks.
I am.
Now we're turning around. Pull this up. It's fresh.
Well, what the f? What the fuck?
Open water, 15 mile an hour, sustained wind.
This sucks. Oh, sorry.
Oh, there's one mark. Is that you all the way down at like 16 foot?
Yeah, I got one chasing. Got one chasing. He's on it. Right around 12 foot. No, come back.
Gone?
Mm-hmm. He's coming back. Got one?
No.
Oh.
It's hard to. I don't have a trigger release. This is just a $6 Mr. Crappie.
Dude, he went all the way back down to the bottom. Be on the shore soon.
Oh! Dude, too strong. Really nice, strong bites.
I mean, then it's gotta be the warmest water over here if you think about it. Oh, I got one going. Got one! No!
Did you?
Oh wait, I got him still.
Nice. Keep going.
I'm trying.
Hell yeah.
Oh no. Well, that's a fail. What is it, Bluegill?
What do we got, boy? Hell yeah.
Nice!
Nice.
Finally.
Is it way on the bottom?
Yes.
That's what I figured. I've never seen somebody trying to lip fucking bluegill.
Hey, I lip him like a god. Well, we got one.
We didn't get skunked.
True. Oh!
I know.
Yep. What the hell?
All those bubbles.
Yeah. Well, this isn't gonna work.
I couldn't fucking cop on the ice lip.
I'm gonna do a reverse.
Yeah. Flasher out.
Yeah. Dude, yeah, it's just pushing us along. Look at anchor. Think it'll hold?
Man, I thought originally we started, we were past where we entered in at. This ice has opened up a lot.
Yeah.
A lot.
I don't know. Do you want me to turn it around and we try to anchor?
I don't think we'll be able to fish unless we try to anchor.
Yeah.
It's gonna be iffy still.
Let me get forward a bit more. Sorry. Hold on, let me go forward. Yeah, I know. Do we drift back?
Hopefully we don't drag.
I know, that's why I wanted to come forward a lot.
Are you still going forward?
Yeah.
Largest mark we've gotten yet.
What?
Massive mark, dude.
Oh, there still?
Yep. Just keeps going further and further towards the bottom, though. Now.
Oh, got one going.
You all the way down the bottom?
Mm-hmm. Did I get one? Oh, I got him.
Yeah, you did.
Bluegill. Nice.
Nice. Getting something.
Stop stabbing me.
Dude, I'm telling you.
Bro, he literally had it.
They're like at 10 foot.
He had it in his mouth. Like he was just sitting there with it. Is it you?
I'm all the way down at the bottom.
What's it? Oh. Okay. Like, whoa, how far from the bottom are you?
Like right on the bottom.
Okay.
So there's a nice strong mark at like 2-3 foot off the bottom.
That is me right now, but
Try jigging slower too.
you are?
No, you.
Oh.
You're really finicky when you're jigging. That's doesn't create a very natural movement of fish.
They're liking it right now. Would not be bad though. Without that wind right now, it'd be perfect.
Yeah.
Just sucks. Damn. Break it. Oh, nice crappie.
Look at that slap, buddy!
Damn. Oh, I got one.
You?
I got one.
Hell yeah, dude!
I'm the bluegill boy.
Yeah, dude. Slabbers.
Yours.
Slabbity, slabbity.
Slabbity dabbity doo.
It's hard to tell with these noodle rods whether you have a decent fish on or not, though. That's the main downside to them.
Yeah, I feel like a little hit and then I just pull. Colorful. Yay, I actually have a video. They're right on that bottom.
Yep. I can't believe it, dude. 22 feet of water.
Mm-hmm.
I thought you were reading they were up in the shallows, dude.
The other day, this is where they're hitting. Where were you at?
Right on the bottom.
Okay. What'd you use for bait?
That tungsten with the waxies.
Okay.
What'd you use?
Waxworm.
God damn.
What?
I think that's the furthest I've ever pulled a fish up ice fishing.
Right.
I've never had a fish 22 feet of ice.
Oh, wait, is that you? Something's coming up.
Not me, I'm not really moving anything.
Air bubble? Might be a bubble. It's still going up.
Yep, air bubble. Which means something released something.
Fish farted.
Fish fart. I should put my bibs on too.
Same. It's so hard to see my thing from far away. It's like sometimes I'm like, am I seeing double lines?
No, dude, I have my gain turned way down too. So any of these red marks I'm getting are like strong.
The hell.
Shrimps back. Bunch. Other people, oh, I fish. Really?
Heavy fish right now.
Do you fish? Have you used your jumbo as an icebreaker yet?
That one, no.
There's a nice mark around. That must be you.
I'm right above the bottom.
No, you're not.
What?
Are you?
Mm-hmm. Oh, stupid ice.
You see that?
What?
Oh my gosh, the flasher is definitely just like so much of a game changer that I don't even know how I used to fish before I had a fish finder.
Yeah.
Other than I was wasting time.
True.
Seriously, just to find depth, I had to drop a line in the water.
Yeah, that would suck.
You never had one of those little clip-on level weights?
Whoa.
Nice.
I didn't even mean to. I stood up. Walleye.
No way.
Yup. Told ya.
That ain't a walleye.
Yeah, it is. Look at him.
Yeah, I know it is.
Oh,
I want to put him in my fish aquarium as well.
poor guy. It's 3, 4.
Okay, that has to be
God damn.
yeah. Nice.
Little crapper. On a meaner. A dead meaner. Hey, chill. It's a lot warmer to just lip your little face. Oh no. Get in a hole. Sorry. Damn it.
I can't see.
Come here, Bob. There you go. Yeah!
Game turned all the way. What?
It was just like slid under over there.
There is kind of a crack all the way across there. You see that?
What?
From our open water over
yeah.
that open water. See that crack?
It's pushing it together.
It's pushing it
Okay,
underneath.
now we're moving forward.
Yeah.
What? Or is this ice moving backwards? Oh, this is sick.
The ice is moving backwards.
It's going under each other. Oh my god, my thing. My thing.
Get us back, bro. You gotta go catch it.
Dude, it's going above the other ice layer. I've never seen that.
No, it's going underneath.
Or whatever, you know what I mean. It's going into each other. Oh, dude, I gotta video it. Bye, ice. It's like the Arctic. Oh my god. Dude, that's so cool. Damn it! We keep fucking drifting into the goddamn fucking ice. Dude, it's literally running into itself unless I turn this thing on.
We're about the same spot.
I'm gonna have to rhino line this bitch. These guys are gonna be like, why are they fishing? Dude, it's so crazy. It's legit still sliding under. So weird. Dude, look how far. It's like double layered. We got an inch of ice.
I found an inch of ice on Saturday. I had to push a half inch underneath of another half inch to find it, but I found it. Oh, dude, that was huge. Again.
Huge.
God, about 4. That was so big.
What?
That bite.
What the? Don't you hate it when your line just gets tangled in everything? Did you move backwards or did I?
Oh, dude, that's all you.
How is this wrapping around this? Literally. Got him?
Got it.
What is it?
Little tiny gill, guaranteed.
Oh, walleye.
Little Walter. Again.
Nice.
Little Walters.
Same one.
Little small guys.
It's a little cigar.
Little cigar Walters. Gosh. Too bad it's too warm in my aquarium for him.
Cool.
Well, you proved me wrong, dude.
Told ya, boy. Caught more here.
I've never really fished for Walters here, though.
I haven't
I always
either.
heard people fishing for them at Branched Oak and Pawnee, so the Walters have caught Pawnee bigger than that this year.
Yeah, probably get overfished here. Everywhere.
Yeah.
I know. Oh. There's. Ah.
Off again?
Yeah. It's too small of a hook, probably.
Oh, dude, look how much open water's behind us now.
I don't even want to look yet.
I would look.
Damn.
Dude, look how much open water's out here.
Whoa. What the?
The whole lake is open. Where do you want to go now?
Oh, I don't know. Somewhere warm?
No wonder we're having such a bitch of a time. You look around, there's a football-sized field of open water now around us. Look at that old fish.
Yeah.
It's literally just in the last half hour.
It'd be cool if I could find my fucking lure.
The easiest way to do it is drop them all the way down.
I'm trying. I got so much shit and lines going right now. And then we're fucking wrapped around the fucking transducer probably. No. Dude, it's so pain in the ass. Yeah, I'm not gonna. What? Come on, you fucking bitch. Why? Why is this being so fucking ass? What is wrapped? Where is it wrapped? Holy fuck, we found it. 2 walleye, some crappie, some bluegill.
Slab of a crappie.
Yeah.
Slab of a crappie. A couple small malters. Some decent gills.
Gilligan. Whoa, wait, what am I doing? Oh, I'm retarded. We're not going backwards. Put it. Put her in reverse, Terry.
Onward! We're gonna find our little canal.
Boom, 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 boom. Whoa.
What was that?
I don't know. What was that? Did you just drop anchor?
What was that?
I don't know.
You have everything off.
Yeah. Now it's gonna get not windy. It takes a while to get used to turning this thing.
Yep. It's like snowboarding.
I'd be better at snowboarding.
Turn the opposite of the way you think you want to go.
I know, and I don't even, like, I want to be where I don't think about that. But,
Holy shit, this is like completely open.
yeah, we had to ram through it earlier.
I know, but look at this little canal that we cut. Look how nice it is now.
Let's drive through it and see
Docking and stuff.
how thin this is.
Oh, I see what they now.
Eh? Uh-oh. We just get stuck right here.
I'll be so pissed at you.
Thing works pretty good though. Kind of happy to be on land and start my truck. I don't know. Well, that was a lot easier than before. I don't know. I personally don't have a problem with being cold, but I mean, warming up and my legs are cold. Oh, Greg.